Jamie from CLPL's Youth Department. Today we are going to make some sidewalk chalk paints. For our project, we're going to need cornstarch, water, and food coloring. We'll also need some bowls, or you can use a muffin tin, measuring cups, a spoon, and some different size paintbrushes. Once you've gathered all of your supplies, we can mix up our paint. I've moved all of my supplies outside where we are going to be using the paint, and I'm going to start by mixing equal parts of cornstarch and water in this bowl and then mixing it together. So I have half a cup of cornstarch, then I'll put a half a cup of water, and then we're just gonna stir that till it's nice and smooth. When all the lumps are out, you can either now pour it into individual bowls, or I'm just going to use this muffin pan and put a little bit in each one. And then I'm going to add my food coloring. And then we're going to use a spoon and just mix our colors. Once your colors have been all mixed up, you can use your paintbrushes to decorate and draw whatever you would like. As your painting dries, the colors will become a little bit brighter. At times, your cornstarch may settle at the bottom. Just give it a quick stir and it's ready to go again. Have a great time creating some fun art. See you next time.